In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange pages in a PDF document using Acrobat Pro. If you've ever found yourself needing to adjust the order of pages within a document, Acrobat Pro can be a very handy tool. We'll walk through the process step by step. To start off, you'll need to launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you already have it installed, open the application. Ensure that you're using the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues. Waiting for software updates can sometimes feel tedious, but they often include important fixes and new features, so it's always a good idea to keep your applications up to date. Once you've opened Acrobat, the next thing you'll want to do is open the PDF file you wish to edit. Navigate to the File option at the top left of your screen, click on it, and select Open. Browse to find the PDF you want to edit, select it, and hit Open. Your document will then appear on the screen, ready for editing. Now, direct your attention to the top of the interface where you'll see an Edit option. Clicking on this will drop down a menu of editing features you can use. Among these options, find and select Organize Pages. This is where all the magic happens. Clicking here will take you to a new interface that displays all the pages of your document in a grid layout. Here's where you can begin rearranging your pages. By simply clicking and holding down on a page, you can drag it to a new position. As you move the page, you'll notice other pages shifting to accommodate the change. This intuitive method allows for a simple and clear way to reorganize the layout of your document. Take your time to consider the flow of your content, whether you're reorganizing for chronological reasons, thematic grouping, or purely aesthetic purposes. Ensure each page is where it needs to be. If you have multiple pages that need switching, you can continuously drag and drop until you're satisfied with the order. Acrobat Pro offers smooth visual feedback, showing you exactly where each page will land before you let go. Once you've completed arranging the pages to your liking, don't forget the crucial final step, saving your document. Go back to the top left corner, click File, and then Save. It's a good habit to periodically save your progress to avoid losing any changes by accident. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to rearrange pages in a PDF document using Acrobat Pro. By following these steps, you can ensure your PDFs are organized exactly the way you want them. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.